stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast, or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, might crash, cause a good die young. Yeah, good die young. Pushing to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. I'm back where I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see me. Go down as a legend in my city cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block, no I can't keep for me. Tell me I should live. I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it, we gon' get back on our feet. And I say that on me. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, might crash, cause good die young. Yeah, but here I come. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. On that road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. On dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home.
I think it's worth investing in when the feeling is mutual, when both parties are really excited, when, when there's like these little moments of magic.
Feels good, it fits right. We don't move too quick. Got hers, I get mine. We say, ooh, that's it. Say what I feel is a fact. She said she feel it right back. Got sentimental, locked the momentum. Said what I meant though. Yeah, I got what I give, can't block what it is, and I'm not one to trip or flake. If the plot got thick and we got off script, I won't just dip, I stay. Let the incense float out and defenses go down. Let the pot get big. If I lost my chips, I'll process it and say it's alright. That's life. Let those cycles twist when the highs go dip, then I go ride. Hold tight. That's the risk we take. It's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright. That's life. Let those cycles twist when the highs go dip, then I'll go ride. Hold tight. Yeah, that's the risk we take. It's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright.
I look for a seamless openness and conversation and vulnerability. Those are the things that make me feel connected to somebody.
You said don't knock walking. We spent all night locked in.